Artificial intelligence offers the potential to process years of data in seconds, but when large enterprises try to deploy it, they hit a sudden bottleneck. Most organizations rely on public AI interfaces. Feed confidential client records into these systems, and your data leaves your control, creating a privacy risk. Additionally, legacy IT infrastructure lacks the bandwidth to process millions of complex machine learning queries. Under that weight, the architecture collapses. You cannot run advanced machine intelligence on outdated hardware and unsecured public connections, without facing compliance failures and operational downtime. To safely operate these models, organizations require a bridge, connecting the intelligence of the software directly to high-capacity physical infrastructure. Kerdos Infrasoft was built to be exactly that bridge. As India's premier AI-first infrastructure company, they resolve the tension between software demands and hardware limits. They approach the problem by treating AI as secure infrastructure you build and own, rather than rented software you simply plug into. The process starts with Kerdos' enterprise consulting team. They map an organization's specific data flows and design a custom blueprint for digital transformation. Next, they lay down the physical and digital foundation, deploying scalable cloud architecture and edge computing systems tailored to handle heavy data loads. To ensure absolute reliability, these systems are backed by a strict 99.99% uptime service level agreement. An enterprise can only innovate as fast and securely as its underlying architecture allows. Sitting directly on top of that secure bedrock is the engine itself, the Kerdos AI platform. This is a private large language model hosting environment. Instead of sending prompts out to an external server, custom models are fine-tuned and operated entirely on-premise or within strictly isolated private clouds. To make the AI useful, Kerdos uses enterprise-grade Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This process allows the model to scan your proprietary internal documents and formulate accurate answers without searching the open internet. Because the entire process is self-contained, there is no external data transfer. Your proprietary information never leaves your environment. This architecture meets rigorous independent standards. It is DPDP compliant, ISO 27001 aligned, and SOC 2 ready. Organizations get the full analytical capability of modern machine learning while maintaining absolute privacy and control over their own data. Managing high-speed data processing is only half the equation. The other half is ensuring that as these systems become more complex, their output remains predictable. Kerdos develops proprietary interpretability tools. These allow researchers and enterprise leaders to peer inside the neural network and understand exactly how the model arrives at its specific decisions. This oversight ensures that as models handle higher-stakes business operations, they remain safe, responsible, and aligned with the organization's actual goals. This unified architecture is currently driving over 500 successful enterprise projects. In healthcare, Kerdos implements AI-powered electronic health records and predictive analytics to transform patient care in hospital facilities serving 500 beds. This chart shows the impact in the financial sector. By deploying secure, on-premise AI fraud detection, institutions see a 60% decline in false positives, while overall transaction security climbs. In manufacturing, they enable Industry 4.0 smart factories, equipping assembly lines with IoT sensors and automated predictive maintenance to reduce costly downtime. And for the public sector, Kerdos builds the secure digital backbone required for smart city infrastructure and transparent e-governance platforms. Across all these highly regulated industries, Kerdos operates as the single, invisible engine driving their digital operations. Organizations require an end-to-end partner capable of deploying complex technology rapidly, with minimal disruption to daily operations. To build something remarkable and to take full control of your infrastructure, book an enterprise discovery call with Kerdos today.